Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 35, Lesson 2, Exercises. Here we just have the vocabulary exercise. So let's get started with this. We have number 1. Blank verborum sunt indicativus, conjunctivus, imperativus, infinitivus. So the something of the verbs are indicative, subjunctive, imperative, and infinitive. And the answer to that is the modi, which is what we translate as the moods of the verbs. So these are separate from tense and person and voice. These are indicating the mood in which the verb is said. So with a commanding mood, or with a kind of questioning, uncertain mood, or with a certain mood, indicative. Loquor est blank prima singularis praesentes indicativi verbi deponentis si blank non aditur, hoc verbum latinum non est. Loquor is, what is it? It is the first person singular present indicative of a deponent verb. And so we want persona prima. If R is not added, so the word that is the opposite of add, we learned in this chapter to take away, similar to adimera, which is demera, and the passive form of that, demitur. If R is taken away, this verb, Latinum non est, is not Latin. Adverbium verbo addicetur et blank designificare, eius blank est planum facit. So an adverb is added to a verb, and we want our verb here, which is planum facit. It makes it plain, which is to explain. It explains it, or makes it plain, which is I'm in the wrong blank. Actually, we can't do that verb yet. We have to do this first. So, and explains or makes plain, it's a word from significare, to show, to signify, and that word was significatio, but it's the object of planum facit, so it explains its significance or meaning, and so we want significationem. And now we can put explana. Bene. Okay, buona fortuna on the rest of those. When you're done, come back and we'll try our last lesson of chapter 35, lesson 3.